Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Look what I made work back. Trading view. I had to delete the app and reinstall it. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. Yeah, see, it was not a good idea. Wait, what? Yeah, I think it. And not only, no, it's not that I reinstalled it. I think it's the um I cleared the cache that didn't work and I restored app to factory defaults. And that did help. Yeah, this like 0.5 makes no sense anymore. Why did I not take it? Oh yeah, because it's not Spring. Yeah, it needed the signal on. Daily. And it's oh, but my drawing disappeared. Yeah. Huh. I still have it. Where then are my drawing tools and how to bring them back? What? Let's see what turning brakes is. Oh, let's see what the session breaks are. Oh, no, I don't think it's helpful for me. Um, the point was I need my drawing panel, my favorite. Yeah, I'm back to defaults. That's what I had to do to re. Um, I think it's the time I learned the. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Perfect. Yeah. Um, Um, that's up IWM. Um, yeah, this thing is just dying. Broke the level, it goes down to reach its potential at 0.5, so it's back to short. It's counter trend. It's counter trend. There are some strengths. Yeah. Intel goes down as it should. It's unvolumed. Spring. And there's nothing I can do about it. DTM, I should not trade it at all because see, it's like not 700K an hour, and 100K is like 11 million. It's low liquidity stock. I should have stayed away. Um, so I'll stop monitoring it. I'll just wait to break even and lose my money on DTM, and I'm done doing business with DTM. Then that's what we've got. That's what we've got here. You know what I've learned today, that some categories of white immigrants are not recognized as um, ethnic minorities, such as Germans, British, French, I think Italian as well. They still are minorities, let's be clear about it, but officially, Census Bureau does not think that they share different cultural belief, historical ties, and language as majority of Americans. Which I understand, like the logic of it, because the majority of American population is composed of uh, British, Irish, German, French, and other European nations. However, it doesn't make much sense for me when you're German guy and you come to, like, Russian Americans are recognized as an ethnic minority for that matter, officially. So are Polish Americans and other like Eastern European Americans. Um, so how is it different when you're a Russian guy or a German guy and you come to United States? How does it help that majority of population grew up with Grimm brothers, fairy tales or similar? Especially if you don't speak the language. If you speak German, I think language is like defining factor because it's not so much different cultural references or history that distinguishes me from the rest of America. It's my accent and the fact that I speak English as the foreign language. So my mm, linguistic specificity is the biggest single defining factor of me as a minority. So how come I am one and uh, a German friend of mine, if I had one, would not be? Just doesn't make any sense. Um, by the way, that wasn't the level. This was the level. It was like long, 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 young. And since we're talking about minorities and immigrants, uh, I kid you not, guys, where are you from should be the last question you ask a person of accent, if you ask at all. Uh, or better yet, let them speak for themselves. They'll tell you. I assure you, they'll satisfy your curiosity sooner or later. Just be properly educated and ethical and mindful enough not to bug them with that question. Yeah, it was interesting here. Oops. And it came here for the first time, and in 5 minutes. Yeah, it didn't give us a setup. Yeah, the problem is it's unvolumed. Technically, this bar is a part of this extremum. So you can count it in as this last bar, that's the first bar, so this volume is in our phase. And that's something. That's definitely something. Why am I not looking at the entire trend? That's more fair. But for 1 hour, it's okay. Dali. For 1 hour, it's okay. So it gives me 2 bar spring today. Does it make any sense to trade it? You know what I mean? That was a 1 bar spring. So technically there was nothing that would prevent him from taking this trade like this. This thing is unvolumed. This time is yet to come when I'll be taking this trade. Is yet to come. This thing goes down. See, market change. Good job not taking this trade, Mishka. Good job not taking this trade. Yeah, I can't take daily because there's no context. The volume distribution is not good. Right. Oh, it's 0.5. That's a daily watch now. That would be maybe interesting if it came here and upthrusted this level, um, interacted with the level of superior time frame. That would be tradable, I think. Oops. Technically, it's in spring. It's a two-bar spring. It is. And we see the strengths and we see weakness. But 3 bars to get up there, 3 bars to get down. But yeah. Oh, and then we change direction. So yeah, it's daily watch. T-Mobile. Yet to this day, I don't know whether it's how to трактовать. Oh my gosh. Interpret. Just give me a sec. So much spam I'm getting. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Something like this. That's our well, we have multiple till the rest of the months until we do a 2-bar spring um, on monthly chart. Why do I not receive notifications? Yeah, it's counter trend. Boom. And this changed direction and all of that, so it's not good till this. And that would make now sense anyways because of it's not neutral zone, it's already activated this resistance zone of monthly. It went so close. What was going on here? Yeah, I see what it does. It missed it by a hair and went up to never even give us a chance, me a chance. Iron? Is it Iran or Iron? Or Irene? I don't know. I just met a guy in my Vipassana. We had a trustee retreat, and someone was talking my ears off how they believe that, hey, where's my spy? Ooh. They believe that even though, what? Hmm. Um, that they believe that um, American stock market will gallop because of the AI, of course. That the stock market will do another rally, like a double impulse. It can, but looking in the chart, doesn't look like it will. Um, and also, everything about my training says that when people on the street start talking about next rally on the stock market, and by the street, I mean the street, not the Wall Street. People from the street, people who are not professional market participants, will start talking about coming up market rally at the dinner table. It's a great time to sell. And by the way, that was a break. And I want to, no offense meant. And I hope people who are not professional market participants can agree to the fact that they're not professional market participants. And the whole market is designed in a way so that professional market participants can feed off upon unprofessional market participants. So so-called weekends or uninformed traders or retailers. So when the retailers start buzzing your ears off about next stock market rally, that's why it's called retailer wave. This like fifth slag of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or somewhere here. Yeah. Or here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small wave correction, big wave correction, small wave. That's called like retailer wave. This is called like smart money or um, accumulation, market participation, forced wave correction, and then retailer wave or distribution. So might be wrong. Maybe the guy at the dinner table was right. Uh, I'll be happy if he is, because I don't build any anticipation. I do my best not to build any anticipation around the market, because market doesn't care about where I think it's gonna go, or should go, or must go, or can go. It just goes, and it takes time to realize it. And I'm not looking for understanding of the market. I'm looking to um, participate or collaborate or join the market in direction of the strength against the direction of the weakness. That's all I do, day in, day out, on the stock market. Wow, I hear the car alarm, and it's exactly the way we had back in the 90s. It's so funny. It's an old school car alarm. We got it into 0.5. And this is some volume here. And we went lower. Yeah. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. We've got the local extreme and FedEx. I don't think it's good to trade in neutral zone, even from a resistance zone of superior time frame. Therefore, I think this level is not good for anything. This was good, and that's it. Yeah. However, it's a balance. This is one bar rule, by the way. Oh, so it wasn't a balance to begin with. Um, yeah, it's not a balance. So yeah, it's not good for daily watch, monthly. Yes, cold as ice. You remember that? This is weird. What's going on here? Yes, cold as ice. It's getting close to 0.5. What I'm waiting for on this stock, I'm waiting it to manipulate the to retest, to test the monster level. Trying to fix my verbiage. It's just a massacre. Doesn't make any sense. Hmm. Hmm. Alros goes lower, but that's a weekend. So it's a reaction bar now. We need a close manipulation signal, and on top of that, we can only do anything up to like 0.5. We change direction, however, on inferior time frame, and we are good for a continuation of the trend right now as we speak. This, however, looks like an exhaustion volume. Looks like an exhaustion volume. For this entire movement. For all this wave, you see? It's big. Volume distribution good though, it's up there. Good for short, I mean. Broke it up and then went down. I think it's not terrible for short continuation of the trend though. Yeah. Leonard Corporation. Yeah. And call it you can call it um, a balance. Okay, that's it. Let's look at losers and gainers again. Oh, why is it? Well, yeah, because it's against the trend and all of that. Mm, not life. That was an entry. It's a break, an entry, and this was volumed. There was no 0.5, however, it's understandable considering how this tail went. Uh, the reason I didn't want to look at it is because it's already reached its 0.5 potential. Yeah, and we don't know where this volume is unless we really inquire into, and once again, we don't know. Yeah. Stock that I'm stuck in. Stock that I'm stuck in. Or whatever the proper way to say it. In my Russian broker, this has been like frozen. I would have sold it. I would have sold it right here. Yeah, with pleasure, but in my next life. Wake me up when the war is over. Okay. I'm gonna go. It's a red day. It's more red than